How much should you actually spend on a full-face snorkel mask? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Great Ever G2 Black Green. First up is the Great Ever G2 full-face snorkel mask in black green, priced at just $28.27. The first thing that caught my eye was its sleek design and the promise of a 180-degree panoramic view. If you want to experience underwater beauty without feeling claustrophobic, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The transparent flat lens is made from high-definition PU resin, which means you won't deal with distorted views or dizziness while exploring. Plus, the G2 dry top system enhances your experience by keeping water out, which is crucial when you're trying to enjoy the scenery. With over 15,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly popular among snorkelers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The comfortable breathing system allows for smooth intake of air so you can stay focused on what's underwater, not on gasping for breath. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for larger faces. Here's the thing though, if you have a smaller face, this might actually be a perfect fit. Just keep that in mind when deciding. This mask is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get into snorkeling without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a larger face, as the snug fit may not be comfortable. Alright, if the snug fit of the Great Ever G2 bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for a more flexible fit. Product number 2, Great Ever G2 Pink. Next up is the Great Ever G2 full-face snorkel mask in pink, retailing at $28.36. The vibrant color caught my attention immediately, making it a fun option for family trips. If you want to add a splash of color to your snorkeling gear, this is worth a serious look. This mask offers the same great features as the previous model. The panoramic view provides a clear underwater experience, and the G2 dry top system keeps water out while you explore. This version also has that convenient camera mount, so you can capture amazing moments without hassle. With the same impressive ratings, you're looking at a reliable option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The anti-fog design means you can spend more time enjoying the sights instead of constantly clearing your mask. However, some users mentioned that the camera mount can be a bit wobbly. But honestly, that's a minor issue when you're out there enjoying your time in the water. Just make sure to secure it properly before diving in. This mask is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that doesn't skimp on functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced camera features, as the mount may not be the most stable. Now, if the camera mount stability is a concern, the next product might surprise you with its unique features. Product number 3, Great Ever G2 Black Bag Included. The third one is another Great Ever G2 full-face snorkel mask, but this time it comes with a bag and it's priced at $28.28. I like that it includes a storage bag, which is perfect for keeping your gear organized. If you want convenience alongside performance, this is worth a serious look. But the added bag means you can easily take it anywhere without worrying about damage. With a similar rating and sales, you can see it's another favorite among buyers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes your snorkeling trip smoother since you won't have to rummage through your gear to find everything. However, some users pointed out that the mask can feel heavy after extended use. But I'll be real with you, the comfort and ease of use generally outweigh that minor inconvenience, especially for short trips. This one is perfect for you if you value portability and want to keep your gear organized. Skip this if you're planning very long snorkeling sessions, as the weight might become noticeable. Now, if the weight issue is a concern, stick around for a product designed for long-term comfort. Product number 4, Great Ever G2 Family Set. Up next, we have the Great Ever Full-Face Snorkel Mask, a family set available for $52.99. This is a great option if you're planning family snorkeling trips since it comes in 2 colors. If you want a fun and safe option for family adventures, this is worth a serious look. This mask features a 180-degree panoramic view, which is perfect for kids and adults alike. The upgraded 3-channel breathing system is a game changer. as it helps prevent CO2 buildup, making it safer to use for longer periods. With 3,700 reviews and a solid rating, it's clear that families love this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The soft silicone skirt ensures comfort for all face shapes, which is especially important for those family members who might be a bit fussy about fit. But here's the thing, as long as you measure correctly, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just make sure to follow the size guidelines. This is perfect for you if you're taking kids along to snorkel and want a flexible fit. Skip this if you're snorkeling solo, as the added features might be more than you need. Alright, if the size confusion bothered you, this last product has some simple features that could ease your mind. Product number 5, Greatever G2 Easy Travel. Finally, let's talk about the Greatever full-face snorkel mask designed for easy travel, priced at $52.99. The foldable design caught my eye right away, making it super convenient for trips. If you want to travel light while snorkeling, this is worth a serious look. This mask maintains all the essential features like a panoramic view and anti-fog technology, ensuring you get the best underwater experience. The included quick-dry storage bag is a thoughtful addition for any traveler. With a high rating reflecting its performance, this mask is definitely a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed for ease of packing and travel, which is perfect for all your snorkeling adventures. However, the price might seem a bit steep compared to others. But honestly, the convenience and quality make it worth the investment for frequent travelers. This mask is perfect for you if you're an avid traveler looking to snorkel without hassle. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as there are more affordable options out there. And there you have it, a solid lineup of masks for any level of snorkeler. In summary, we've covered a range of full-face snorkel masks from Greatever, each with unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for affordability, style, family-friendly options, or convenience for travel, there's something here for you. Choose wisely and happy snorkeling.